apartment 8 years back, but it took us a while to actually complete and shift into this space. Hi, I'm architect Varsha from Studio Vista Architects. Today I'm taking you through a tour of my own home. So the design was, if you look at it, it's all muted colors, natural pastel colors that we have selected, and the decor is very minimal. The fabrics, the furnishings, that everything that we selected was very carefully selected so that it went well. It sort of blended in with the neutral palette of the house. So the starting point of this design was the living room. We wanted all the space where we spent a lot of time together to be together and to be one continuous space. So the original layout of the apartment was a very conventional layout. We brought down the wall that separated the living dining with the kitchen. By opening out the kitchen and the living dining space, we had a very open kitchen, so somebody who was spending time in the kitchen could still interact with the family who was in the living room. The living dining space has been set in a neutral pattern which has been enhanced by elements like the arches, fluted panels, wooden furniture, which all brings in warmth to the space. This is then all tied together with carefully selected decors, lighting and doorknobs, which is all shades of French gold, which is also not very loud in the space but just kind of blends with the entire ambience of the space. So this is a 3 BHK apartment, and for each bedroom we have designed it in a particular theme. The design of the master bedroom is kept simple with just a touch of elegance. The neutral wall is just enhanced by floating wooden furniture and wooden flooring. The arch set behind the bed has a tropical leaves pattern which sort of reflects the greenery outside. In our design, contextuality plays a major role, and that is why we have installed CNC cut cotton steel panels in this balcony, which gives a much needed privacy to this balcony. Its room also, we've kept it very simple, just giving it 3 basic colors. That is his favorite, my son's favorite. For his entertainment, we have given a bunk bed with a lot of storage below it for toy storage. Guest bedroom is a combination of pastel peach and pastel green. All the elements selected in that space is also a combination of these. The striking element in this bedroom is the puja space, which is just a small cabinet that has been set on a strikingly designed mandala, half mandala pattern, which is a CNC cut HDF, which is finished in peel. The balcony in the living space was also set with a small garden and a nice seating so that in the evenings we could sit there and unwind with a small cup of coffee. So the overall design of this apartment is charming and pleasing to the eye. I consider myself as a balanced mix of artistic and functionality. So the design expression of my apartment also follows the same.